Hello, amazing people. It's the Esther. How you all doing? So today I came out. My husband's niece came to visit us all the way from Austria. So we brought her to a rheinfall. Rheinfall is another name for waterfall. We have a waterfall in Switzerland, and this waterfall is located along Schaffhausen route. And it's a very big one, so I decided to show you some clips from our trip to the waterfall. Keep watching. So that's it. People look at it, it's so gigantic. If you are in the area of Switzerland, you can stop by this waterfall. It's a good place to bring the children. It's my third time of coming to the rheinfall, and I've never thought to do a video about it because I've never come this close. But for the sake of tourism, I had to come this far. And I mean, it's so beautiful. I never knew it's that beautiful. Each time we come here, we just stay at the park or just stay at the emblem of the Rhine. But today we came all the way down. I mean, it's located, you could come through the stairs. There are different stairs. It's so beautiful. God, amazing me. And amazing God, amazing me. Who is that? The creator of heaven and earth, the creator of the universe, the creator of the waterfall. A fool says there is no God. I mean, yes, God. Yeah, the trip is getting more interesting now. We are going to take the boats across the water. That's one experience that I'm daring, but I want to dare my fear by taking this exercise. We are going to enter this boat now across to the other side. So keep watching, guys. As we are setting out on the boat, I'm daring my fear, baby. So the boat is moving. It's not so bad, but it is scary. I can't lie. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Where is it? Cheese.
Cheese. This is the second boat. We are entering. The ticket we bought will take us on 3 different boats. So the boat takes us to 3 different angles of the waterfall. It's so beautiful. I was really scared, but it's not as bad as I thought. You need to visit this place. You will love it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This is the second boat. We are entering. The ticket we bought will take us on 3 different boats. So the boat takes us to 3 different angles of the waterfall. It's so beautiful. I was really scared, but it's not as bad as I thought. You need to visit this place. You will love it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah, now we are at the pinnacle. Can you see the waterfall? Water is coming inside. We are at the pinnacle of the fall. At the pinnacle. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's so beautiful. Everyone say hello to my camera. So, it's a shake body matter. Yes, this is the peak of the waterfall. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. These are the waterfalls. You guys need to come visit this waterfall. It's so beautiful. The boat ride is not as terrible as I thought. I mean, I've got my confidence back. I'm able to conquer my fear. Go into the water and conquer your fear. See? It's okay. So this is the 3rd ride now. For 7 francs, this is worth it. We paid 7 francs and we had to take 3 different boats. It's really worth it. We are going back to our destination. From there we go. It's been an amazing ride. Schaffhausen, Switzerland. I shake body. So now we are climbing back upstairs. See, these are the stairs. You can use the stairs to come down. We are going back upstairs, and now this is the... So guys, it was an amazing ride down there. If you are in the city of Switzerland, I would advise you to come to Schaffhausen rheinfall. You're going to enjoy it. come through the lift because we had to go all the way down. A big thank you to those that are subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please do. Like, come your way next time with your girl Esther. Bye bye.